In this video, we are deploying the ha-mcp custom component and setting it up with opencode. In less than a year, it has already amassed over 4,000 GitHub stars and over 9 million combined polls and downloads across multiple channels, making it by far the most feature-complete MCP tool I've used. It comes complete with built-in agent skills to let AI assistants interact directly with Home Assistant, so you can use natural language to control your smart home devices, query their states, execute services, and manage your automations. But ha-mcp and Home Assistant's built-in MCP server are functionally very different. While both can query states and control your exposed devices, the built-in server is strictly limited to those devices and cannot modify your setup. ha-mcp, however, goes far beyond. It unlocks your entire Home Assistant system, giving your AI agent the power to create and edit automations, build dashboards, debug through history and logs, and manage everything from helpers to backups and hacks registries. In short, use the built-in server for basic voice control of exposed devices, and ha-mcp if you want an AI to actually build and maintain your home. Now, I chose the manual installation method. To do this, simply head over to the author's GitHub page, download the latest release file, and place the ha-mcp tools folder directly into your Home Assistant's custom components directory. Of course, the author also provides other convenient ways to install it, such as using HACS or the App Store. Next, restart Home Assistant to let the custom component take effect. Once the system is back up, navigate to Settings, then Devices and Services. Click to add a new integration, search for ha-mcp, select the recommended option, and hit Submit. But we are not quite done with Home Assistant yet. Make sure to go back to the newly created ha-mcp integration page and copy your designated webhook URL. Now we are ready to configure our MCP tool. To prevent any AI formatting mistakes, we will skip the automated setup and directly edit the opencode configuration file. Open your opencode.json file, paste your MCP configuration block with that webhook URL inside, and restart opencode to apply the changes. Finally, open the opencode web dashboard and enter the mcp command. If you see your Home Assistant MCP status listed as connected, it proves the bridge is established and everything is working as intended. So, what can it actually do? Let's start with what I usually find to be one of the more tedious tasks, creating a new automation. In opencode, I'll simply type, "Create an automation to turn off the smart plug every night at 11 p.m." Almost instantly, the AI retrieved the built-in skills, drafted the automation, and deployed it. Remarkably, I didn't even need to restart Home Assistant to see it appear on the automations page, and all the parameters inside are clean and error-free. From this standpoint, it definitely feels more streamlined and reliable than other MCP tools I've tried. Next, let's tackle another complex task, building a dashboard. This time, I'll ask it to create a dashboard named Test, show it in the sidebar, and add the smart plug to this dashboard. Once again, it completed the task successfully on the first try without any errors. The new dashboard appeared on my sidebar exactly as requested, with the card configured correctly. These two examples only scratch the surface of what's possible. Under the hood, ha-mcp delivers a complete suite of 87 tools organized into 6 core categories. Beyond basic search and device control, it manages everything from blueprints, calendars, and scripts to physical areas and zones. You can monitor history, view camera snapshots, and analyze automation traces in real time. It even handles system maintenance like backups, updates, and add-ons. Most importantly, the integration incorporates robust safety measures, giving you a read-only toggle, per-tool overrides, and user approval policies to keep your home configuration secure. By the way, I've put together a document summarizing every video, link in the description. Let me know in the comments whether you're planning to use opencode and ha-mcp to manage your smart home. As always, your likes and subscribes keep me going. Thanks for watching.